So
Okay, so there is,
I don't have that light on me.
I've got one. That's after the first muffler, and then this is after the second muffler.
Very
Can't
heavy.
tell if it's actually coming
From this.
from the muffler itself. Is it just coming from there?
Coming from that.
Okay.
The clamp between the two pipes.
Okay.
Can I see your light real quick?
Yeah, and then anything else?